Oh my god. He weaved!
Oh look, there's...
It's going to Penn Station!
Hey look, I caught it!
Oh my god!
Hey look, you look close so you can actually...
There's one at Grand Central.
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Look, there's the Babylon.
Oh my god, and the Babylon train! They're racing!
I can't believe we got to ride the M3 though.
Legendary.
I mean,
Oh, it's going outside to Jamaica from here.
South Jamaica?
Yeah, after this, it's going non-stop to Jamaica.
Of course. But didn't you know about the train update?
I thought Far Rockaway trains were local.
Yeah, but they messed with Grand Central. It becomes something else. Did you know?
No, I didn't know that.
Okay. If the train stops at Jamaica, I meant Woodside, it cannot stop at Forest Hills or Kew Gardens. If the train stops at Forest Hills, it can also go at Forest Hills or Woodside. If a train stops at Forest Hills, it can... How do you know?
Because this way is going towards 34th.
Holy...
I memorized the platform angle.
Oh, wow. But for me, I don't actually know.
Oh, those people are still there.
I should know it by now, but like, I don't. Yeah, it is wrong. M9 is late.
I see it.
M9 is late. I see it now. Hey, you know somebody? Okay, funny story. So I had to get my brother a phone visit, and we were watching the guy do the M9 thing. You know, when in pre-testing, and this guy, I was asking if the warning sign could be, if I could have the warning sign because my brother's name started with a W. He gave it to me. My brother didn't like the gift. It's mine now.
Oh lord.
Oh wow, that's fast.
Is he even stopping? He's not.
That's a Penn Station. That's because it's not a Penn Station.
I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
It's alright. It's okay. I didn't know either until it was holding at like 55 miles per hour.
At the limit's 45. Well, down there it's 45, but through here it's 60.
What a coincidence! What a coincidence!
What a coincidence. Those are two really good.
Oh, I took the E-train.
Oh, that's the
Non-stop.
one on the railroad.
Is that a 7 Express? No.
Nah. Alright, here it comes.
Hey, Dad?
Yeah.
Remember the 7 Super Express?
Yep.
I might dip inside just so I can take a quick look. Okay, never mind.
That's not a good idea. I've tried it. It's good,
Yeah, no, so they're close to that.
but not worth it. I didn't get stuck. Don't worry.
Oh, and I'm 7!
Penn Station. And another one.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. As of today, I've taken every single LIRR train.
Nice.
Have you run a double decker yet?
No.
Damn.
And broke it. that a passing train coming? From Long Island? From Long Island? Or am I just dumb? I'm just dumb. I heard a passing train. Oh, it's the train of Babylon.
Yeah. What? What? Anyway, let's see what trains are arriving next. What? Oh, wait.
We've been there before.
Me too.
It's nice. Oh, yeah. I know, but it's still kind of hard. It's a hassle.
Honestly, I think there's like nothing to do now. Maybe we can switch stations. No.
We'd have to buy new tickets.
No, we could probably take the 17.
You want to go to Jamaica?
I don't know. What do you want?
Ask. Go ask. Ask them.